I'm William Roache, and this is what I know. Aging is a very interesting thing. Obviously, if you abuse your body with the way you eat and what you do with it, it's not going to be healthy and it's going to look older. But actual aging is a belief system, and you don't have to buy into it. It's in the collective consciousness, which creates a lot of societies, cultures and things like that we live to be 65, 70, 80 or whatever, and then you retire and off you go. So as people get older, as the years pile on and they get an ache or a pain, oh, it's my age, oh, this is worn out, and then I'm getting to 65, they retire, downhill they go, and that's it. If you believe you're getting older, you decline, your energy goes down, so your cell renewal process gets slower, and it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Down you go and age you do. I had someone say, oh, I bought a new carpet, that'll see me out, and oh, my knees, they're worn out. They're not. Things don't wear out through age. Age has nothing to do with what we call aging. It is how you think. And if you believe that you decline as the years go on, you will decline as the years go on. If you don't believe that, you can, to some extent, you can't fully go against it because it's in the collective consciousness, but you can push the parameters quite a long way. I actually say to myself, every morning as I get out of the shower, as my cells renew themselves, they renew themselves with a younger, healthier, rejuvenating cell. Therefore, I am getting younger and healthier, and I am rejuvenating. I know that it has an effect. I know that it works. More and more people are living to be 100. And recently I did a program about that. And the interesting thing is, in this place in Italy that I went to where the people way beyond the average live to 100, they have a saying, which is, may you live to be over 100. And one old guy who was 112, when asked what the secret was, he simply said, love your brother and have a good glass of red wine every day. Now, a lot of people take that and have a bottle of wine every day, won't they? And on you go. But it was interesting that, love your brother. And if you actually analyse what he said, what he's actually said is love everyone, which is absolutely true. If you manifest who you truly are, which is a loving being, you will be healthier, your immune system better, and you will live longer. And when he said have a good glass of red wine every day, what he means is enjoy yourself. Very important to enjoy yourself. The joy often gets thrown out in all these things about living longer and eating well and dieting and exercising. It becomes hard work. No. Well, it might be hard work, but it should be fun. You should enjoy yourself. So remember that, aging, you can push back the boundaries because it is a belief system, and the body was designed to keep renewing its cells and to keep going. And you can do that. Yes, you can.